Hi! In front of me is POCO X5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Now type in DevCheck, like that. Following that, install this free app from Flar2 developer, and when it's ready, open it. As you can see, thanks to this app, you can learn all the informations about your POCO's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!